Dear children, here we have a beautiful poem to learn, I Wonder. So in this video, let us read the poem and even understand the explanation of the poem. Let's read the poem. Repeat after me. I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? Oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? Who lights the stars when they blow out and makes the lightning flash about? Who paints the rainbow in the sky and hangs the fluffy clouds so high? Why is it now, do you suppose, that Dad won't tell me if he knows? We have the poet here, Gianni Kirby. So as we have learned to read this poem, let us listen to the explanation of the poem. I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. So, in this poem, a small child is looking at the nature and she is admiring the nature. She is admiring the beauty of the nature. She is saying, wow, so beautiful the grass is. But I do not know why the grass is green. Why the color of the grass is green. And why the wind is never seen. You can see in this picture the wind is blowing, but we cannot see the wind. Why is it so? So in the first part of the poem, the child is wondering why is the grass green and why the wind is never seen. Can we see the wind? No, we cannot see the wind. Why we cannot see the wind? So the child is having a question mark. Why we cannot see the wind? Let's move to the next part of the poem. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? So here the child is admiring the beautiful birds. They are building such a wonderful net. Who taught the birds to build the nest? So very beautifully they build. So who has taught the birds to build the nest? And why the trees are not moving? You see in this picture the trees are still. They are at rest. Why the trees are not moving? So the child is again asking a question. Who taught the birds to build nests and told the trees to take the rest? To take a rest. Let's move to the next part. Oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? So, this is the moon and we know the moon is round and white color in shape. But the child is asking, here we see a half moon. Where is the missing bit? Where did the missing bit went? Where did it go? Why it is not found? So the child is asking the question again. When the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? Let's move to the next part. Who lights the stars when they blow out and makes the lightning flash about? So, when the stars blow out, who lights the stars? Who is lighting the stars when the stars blow out? The stars twinkle in the night sky and sometimes they don't twinkle. After sometimes when you see again they start twinkling. Why is it? Who is lighting the stars when they blow out? And you see here the lightning flash about. How is the lightning flashing? Such a bright lightning from the sky is flashing to the earth. And you can see the lightning. So, how the lightning is flashing about? Who lights the stars when they blow out and makes the lightning flash about? Let's move to the next part. Who paints the rainbow in the sky and fluffy clouds so high? So, this is a beautiful rainbow made up of 7 colors. Who has painted the rainbow? How is the rainbow formed? Who painted the rainbow in the sky? And who hanged these clouds on the sky? The clouds are sailing, the white and the fluffy clouds are sailing on the sky. So who has hanged the clouds on the sky? So the child is once again questioning, who paints the rainbow in the sky and hangs the fluffy clouds so high? The last part of the poem we have, why is it now, do you suppose, that Dad won't tell me if he knows? So, here in the poem, the child is asking question to his dad. Dad, please answer me. Why the grass is green? Why the clouds sail on the sky, in the sky? How does the lightning flash about? So, all these beautiful questions, small questions, the child is asking to his dad. But the dad is not answering the child because the child cannot understand. So the child is saying, why is it now do you suppose that dad won't tell me if he knows? My dad knows the answer, but my dad doesn't tell me the answer. So this is just a beautiful poem written by Gianni Kirby, I Wonder. In this poem we understand the child is admiring the beauty of the nature and the child is continuously questioning his dad to answer the questions. So here we have completed the explanation of the poem. Thank you.